Okay, we're here in Waikiki Beach, right next to the Hilton Hotel. Here's my wife.
Hi.
And the story is there's a man and his dog. They just swam like one big circle. And
The dog is really small.
the dog is really small. Like, it went around right here. It went right all the way and took a big circle, and there they are. You see the man right there, and his little dog is right behind him.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Don't drop my phone.
I know. See the little dog. Wait, there they are. Over here, they'll be around the corner any second. Oh, wait a minute. There's that man. So here he is. There's the dog. Wow.
Oh, cute. Don't drop it, babe. Oh. Sorry, I want to take a picture of you guys. Oh.
Wow. Wonder dog.
Hey, oh my
Whoa!
gosh! He loves the water, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! That's so cute!
Do it again, buddy.
Don't drop my camera, please.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Aww.
I've never seen anything like it.
Wow.
Uh-oh. Is he stuck? That dog's getting a workout.
Okay, that's your first.
Yep. Alright. He's home free.
Aww. So cute.
Peace out.